Hi guys, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ito pong kami Diggs Vlog. At ang video natin ngayon tungkol dito sa butuhan sa impeachment ni VP Sara Duterte sa Kongreso. Ngayong May 11, 2026, unang-unang guys, bago na ngayon ang ating Senate President. Napalitan na si Tito Soto, ngayon ay si Mr. Tim K, Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano ng bagong Senate President ngayong Mayo 11, 2026. Kasi guys, nagka-agawan din. Nagka-agawan rin or nagkapalitan. O naghalal din ng bagong Senate President ang Senado. Ngayon mag-umpisa na tayo sa botohan sa Kongreso guys. Ang mga bumoto at saka yung hindi.
Isidre, Apo, Acosta, Adyong, Advincula, Agrao, Agyao, Alano, Alba, Albano, Almario Chino Manuel, Almario Dennis, Almonte, Alvarez Jose, Alvarez Mercedes, Amante, Amatong, Angara, Angeles, Aquino Magsaysay, Arbison Munir Jr., Arenas, Arrogancia, Asistio, Ataide, Aumentado, Ayon, Bagao.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes, and I will explain my vote after everyone has voted. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Balindong, Banyas Nograles, Bangkoro, Barbers, Baronda, Barzaga.
Mr. Speaker, I vote no, and I will be explaining my vote later.
Bascu,
I am voting no, and I will explain my vote later also.
Bautista Claude, Bautista Joan Monique, Bautista Lim, Beltran, Benitez Alfredo, Benitez Javier Miguel, Bernos Ching, Bernos JB, Biron, Bocobo, Bulilia, Bondok, Briones, Bulut Bectang, Cagas, Calderon, Calixto, Kawagdan, Cari, Castro, Caiton, Celeste, Sendanya,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes, and I will explain my vote later.
Ceniza, Chan Jan Franz Norbert Joselito Almario, Chan Junard, Chua, Chuatay, Chungalaw, Ko Pilar, Cojuangco Jaime Eduardo Mark, Cojuangco Mark, Colliantes,
Mr. Speaker,
Speaker, I vote yes. I vote yes.
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes, and I reserve the right to explain my vote later. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, tinawag na kasi pangalawa o na sa labas ako. I abstain.
Colliantes, Corvera,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is no, but I would like to explain my vote later. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Cruz Agatha, Cruz Ricardo, Dagook, Dalog, Dayang Hirang, Daza, De Jesus, De Lima,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from the Mamamayang Liberal ML Party list votes yes, and will explain later. Thank you.
De Venecia, Defensor, Degamo, Del Mar, De Los Santos,
Mr. Speaker, this representation votes no, and I'd like to explain my vote later.
De Los Santos, Di Makuha, Di Maguila, Di Maporo Imelda, Di Maporo City Amina, Diokno,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes. I will explain my vote later.
Dionisio, Domingo, Domogan, Duterte Harold James, Duterte,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes and I'm submitting my explanation in writing, Mr. Speaker.
Duterte Omar Vincent, Duterte Paulo, D. Faustino, D. Faustino Michael Carlos, D. Ian Paul, Elago,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from Gabriela Women's Party votes yes, and I will explain my vote later. Thank you.
Enverga, Erice,
Mr. Speaker, I abstain from the voting and please register my previous privileged speech last Tuesday as my explanation of vote. Thank you.
Escudero, Espares, Espina, Estrella, Perer Antonio, Perer Jeffrey, Flores, Fortes, Frasco, Persnedi, Fuentebella, Galang, Galeos, Garbin, Garcia Albert, Garcia Dante, Garcia Jose Arturo, Garcia Karen Hope.
Mr. Speaker, my vote is no, and I reserve the right to submit a written explanation of my vote. Thank you.
Garcia Maria Angela, Guardiola, Garin, Gatchalian, Gato, Glepa, Go, Gomez, Gonzales Alexandria, Gonzales Alisa Micaela, Gonzales Christopher Sheen, Gonzales Roy, Goriseta, Guico, Gintu,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes.
Gulyas, Gutierrez, Hernandez Charissa Ann, Hernandez Dennis, Hernandez Ferdinand, Hernandez Ramil, Hofer Hasim, Oribata, Ismula,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is yes and wish to explain my vote later.
Iway, Javier, Co Antonio, Co Elisa, Co Wilton, Kong Hun, Co, Labad-Labad, Lacson, Lagbas, Lagdameo Jose Manuel, Lagdameo Monique Yasmin Maria, Lagman,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is yes, and I wish to explain my vote later.
Lagon Daphne, Lagon Sonny, Lara, Lasatin, Ledesma, Legacion, Legarda, Legaspi, Leviste, Libanan, Lopez, Loria, Loyola, Luistro, Lumayag, Makapagal Arroyo, Makasaet, Maceda, Madrona, Malapitan, Manguda Datu, Manikis, Maranyon, Marcoleta, Marcos,
Mr. Speaker, Sagip Party List votes no, and I reserve the right to
explain my vote later after the nominal voting. Thank you.
Marquez, Mastura, Matibag, Matugas, Mendoza, Mercado, Mercado Revilla,
Mr. Speaker, my vote is no.
Miraflores, Momo, Montes, Nava, Nazal, Nolasco,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from Bagong Generation Party List votes no, and I would like the chance to explain my vote later.
Nolasco, Oweminal Henry, Oweminal Sancho Fernando, Oducado, Olivares, Ongchuan, Ordanes, Oreta, Ortega, Uwano Dizon, Patiernos, Panaligan, Pancho, Panotes, Pascual, Perez, Pimentel, Plaza, Plato, Poe, Primicias Agabas, Pumaren, Puno, Kimbo, Rama, Recto, Regencia, Remulla, Revilla Brian, Revilla Ramon Jolo, Ridon, Rivera, Robes, Rodriguez Eloyo, Rodriguez Maximo, Rodriguez Rufus, Roman,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes and I wish to explain my vote later.
Romualdez Andrew Julian, Romualdez Ferdinand Martin, Romualdez Yeda Marie, Romualdo, Romulo, Roque, Sagar Baria, Sakaluran, Salceda, Sally, Salvacion, Salvador, Salvame, San Fernando,
Mr. Speaker, this representation votes yes, but with strong reservations, and I would like to explain my vote after the nominal voting.
Santos Maria Alana Samantha, Santos Mark Anthony,
Mr. Speaker, this representation from the Lone District of Las Piñas votes yes. Thank you.
Shimura, Singson Richelle,
My vote is no.
Singson Richelle, Singson Ronald, Singson Mihan, Solon, Soriano, Suwan, Swansing Bella Vanessa, Swansing Micaela Angela, Suarez, Suntay,
Mr. Speaker, I vote no and I will explain my vote.
Talyado, Tan Ayman, Tan Joseph, Tan Keith Mika, Tan Reynolds Michael, Tan Samir, Tan Stephen James, Tan Chay, Tan Watko, Tariela, Yodoro, Tere, Teves, Tiangco, Tieng,
Mr. Speaker, I vote yes and I will explain my vote later.
Tieng, Tino,
Mr. Speaker, yes ang boto ko and I will explain later.
Tolentino, Tuan, Tulfo Jocelyn, Tulfo Ralph Wendell, Upas, Tutor,
Mr. Speaker, ang bagang tingog sa katauhan sa Tercero Distrito
is no, and I'll explain my vote. Thank you.
T. Umali. Ungab.
I am voting no, and I'll explain my vote later.
Uy De Carlo. Uy Roberto. Valeriano. Vargas. Vargas Alfonso. Veloso. Veloso Tuazon.
Mr. Speaker, Malasakit at Bayanihan Party List votes no. I reserve the right to submit a written explanation later.
Vergara. Villafuerte Miguel Luis. Villafuerte Vincenzo Renato Luigi. Villanueva. Villarica. Biolago.
Mr. Speaker, the 36 of Malaysia votes no, and I reserve my explanation later.
Biolago. Yamsuan. Yap Arthur. Yap Christopherson. Yap Eric. Yap Jan Gisnel. Yatko. Inares. Yu Jazel Victoria. Yu Joseph Kim. Yulo. Zamora Maria Carmen. Zamora Isabel Maria. Zubiri.
Mr. Speaker, I respectfully abstain and I will explain my vote later.
Paalala sa lahat ng pagpapanatili ng kaayusan at paggalang sa proseso na ating kapulungan sa pagpapatuloy ng sesyon ng plenaryo. Sa pag-anunsyo ng resulta ng desisyon ng miyembro ng House of Representatives, mahigpit pong ipinagbabawal ang anumang pagpapakita ng pagsasang-ayon o pagtutol tulad ng pagpalakpak, pagsigaw, pagbu, pagpapakita ng mga placard o anumang kahalintulad na kilos sa loob ng bulwagan at sa galeriya. Hinihiling po natin ang pakikiisa ng lahat upang mapanatili ang dignidad at wastong dekorum sa kapulungan at sa lahat ng oras. With 255 members voting in the affirmative, 26 against, 9 abstention, House Resolution number 989, together with the findings, conclusion, recommendations contained in Committee Report number 261 are hereby adopted.
Ayan guys, ang kinalabasan ng botohan ay ang bumuto ng yes 255, 26 yung no at saka may 9 na abstain. At saka yon ang naging resulta, kaya impeach na si BP Sara sa House of Representatives. Ay malamang yan ay aakyat na doon sa Senate. Ayan ang abangan natin sa susunod ng mga video or mga pangyayari sa darating na mga araw. Ito hanggang dito na lang guys ang itong ating video ng pangyayari dyan sa botohan ng impeachment kay BP Sara. Yan, abangan na lang natin ang susunod na mga mangyayari. Hanggang dito na lang guys.